We're getting started at a modern home in a gated private enclave. This place has truly cinematic city-to-ocean views through huge walls of glass that frame its panoramas like a scene in a Hollywood epic. We take a closer look at this over 5,600 square foot, 4-bedroom home.
Hi, I'm Angel Koo with the agency and welcome to 1724 Viewmont, one of the most amazing view properties situated in the Sunset Plaza area of the Sunset Strip. Follow me. As you enter the home, you're welcomed by this magnificent open floor plan. From floor to ceiling glass, these walls provide natural light throughout the day and give the eyes an almost 180-degree views, unobstructed, of Century City all the way out to Catalina Island. In typical architecture, homes have either straight lines or curves. In this unique instance, we have a perfect balance of both. You can see that here as the shape of the fireplace meets the sharp angles of the stairs. And the custom wood floors add a lovely warm tone for that perfect cozy evening. And if you're done taking in these views, you should totally check out what's going on in the kitchen. And if you're not, you can just hit rewind. Some say the ingredients adds the flavor to a meal. I say the layout of this kitchen adds the spice. There are 2 ovens for optimum efficiency and function. The stainless steel backsplash is reminiscent of your favorite diner, and the professional grade melee range is conveniently built into the counter. And when you're ready to plate, food can be presented and served on this dual purpose island bar with a sleek glass tabletop juxtaposed with a dark rich stone. Here you can sit with a few friends, entertain a small crowd, or head on over to the dining table to have a formal experience. And for dessert, we're serving up vistas. Have a look at that view. The master bedroom, it's where it's at for the ultimate getaway. Los Angeles is about taking advantage of the weather, and this nook is no exception. The California rays fills up this entire room, and it brightens it up every morning. You can drop the shades for some privacy in the evening, or perhaps take advantage of the fireplace to warm up the room on chilly nights. And you have to see this master bath. It's to die for. This in-suite spa, it's the perfect complement to any sanctuary. Dual sinks, dual shower heads, a vanity for all your touch-up needs. My personal favorite, it's gotta be this grand tub, soaking away all your stress. And if you want even more space, well, we'll have to head outside. Follow me. And before we head outside, don't forget to check out this cool private movie theater. It seats 12 of your closest friends, nice plush leather, don't forget the popcorn. When you're talking about quintessential LA, this view here, it's the ultimate. And this hot tub has you floating on cloud 9. And don't forget the sun deck, where you can get your best California tan. And lastly, my favorite room in the house is this poolside cabana right here. Well guys, if you don't mind, I thank you for joining me. My turn to relax.